Every node you connect today brings you closer to building something amazing. So today, let's understand the another type of output AI node, that is the chart node. So first, we'll directly connect a random number to this that we have used in the last lecture. You can name it from here. Let's assign it an group. And the first type is the line chart. And you can select the x-axis and y-axis labels. So in x-axis, there's time. So I want it for 1 minute. And you can also change the time format. So let's keep it default. And let's don't fill up the y-axis so it takes it automatically. The type of the line chart is linear. Let's see how. So you can see the line chart, which is rating every 1 second because I'm injecting my random number every 1 second. Now let's connect two, three values to the same chart. Let's give it the number 80 and name it the upper limit. Copy, paste, and set 40 as the lower limit. Connect these both to the chart node, and you can change the color of the like first line, second line, third line from here. So let's upper limit as red and lower limit as gray. Done. Also change the type of the linear node to step. Now you can see three lines in our chart. The first one is the payload that is changing every 1 second, and the two other are fixed that are upper and lower limit. Now also enable the legend to understand the nomenclature. This you can explore the other types of line chart. I am showing the linear to you. So now you see the legends also. Now let's see the other types of chart. Second type is bar chart. So you see the three bars, and where first one is the dynamic. Bar chart is very useful when you are working with SQL to segregate the data of your products or any type of data in the form of bars. The other type is horizontal bar chart. So it looks like this. So you just need to collect and give data to your nodes, and the visualization will be automatically created. The next one is pie chart. Here it is. And you can explore this node more by yourself. Polar chart. So hope you understood this node well and keep practicing to keep remembering this. So every lesson you complete today is an investment in your future. So thanks for watching.